Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. We have given a C program and our task is we have to convert that C program to Python so that all the test cases runs successfully. So we have given a C program and that C program must be converted to Python program so that all the test cases run successfully. So first let us take a look into that program. So this is the program. Here in the main we have the integer n, the integer x, and we are getting them as input. And then after getting our inputs, we are iterating from ctr1 to ctr less than equal to x. And inside the loop, we are incrementing the n with the printf of modulo d comma n. And then after incrementing the n with that, we are printing a space. So after this, we are returning 0. So here the n is incremented with printf. Let's see how this works. So for example, if we have printf of printer, so this printf is to print the parameters first and then it will return the length of the parameter passed. The printf modulo d 5 means, that is 54 means, then 54 will be printed and the length of this 54 is 2, so 2 will be returned. So this is the function this printf does. So we have like 15151 means then 15151 will be printed and it will return 5 because the length is 5. So 5 will be returned. Now n equal to 5, x equal to 3, and the for the first iteration 5 will be incremented with 1 because the length of 5, that is the length of n, is 1. So 5 will be printed and then we'll have n is equal to 5 plus 1, which gives you 6. So 6 will be printed. And for the second iteration, we'll have 6 plus 1, which gives you 7. And for the third iteration, we'll have, so here we have 7. And for the third iteration, we'll be having 7 plus 1, which gives us 8. So we'll stop here and this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So here we have n is equal to 100 and x as 2. So for the first iteration, we'll have 100 incremented with 3 because the length of 100 is 3. So 100 plus 3, which gives you 103. And for the second iteration, we'll have n equal to 103 plus 3, which gives us 106. So we'll stop here because our x is equal to 2. So this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So first we have to get our input, integer n and x. So we'll get the input integer n and x in the single line splitted by it is separated by a space. So now after getting the input like this, then we have to go to the iteration part. So in this loop we are iterating for x times. So for ctr equal to 0 to ctr, so here it will be 1 and here we have x plus 1. So here we have plus 1 because it is exclusive, and then after this, here in this loop this line is very important. So here you can see first the n is printed and then it is incremented with the length of n, and after that a space is printed. So first the n should be printed, so print n and have a space, and then we have to increment the n with length. So in order to increment the length, we'll have n plus equal to the length of str of n. So yes, this will satisfy our task. N will be printed and it will be incremented with the length of n accordingly.